Hi, my name is Victoria and I'm going to show you what I'm going to paint today. I've been working on a series of florals and landscape paintings, and I'm just going to kind of document what I've been painting. Sometimes the paintings turn out, sometimes they don't. Sometimes I'm happy with them, sometimes not, and I have to keep painting until you get to the result that you want. So sometimes a lot of the paintings you paint may not turn out exactly how you want them, or you might get a little discouraged in how they turn out, but just keep painting anyway. I've been learning every day that sometimes you may not feel like painting, you may not feel like you have the energy to paint, or you just don't feel like doing anything. Sometimes you just want to sit around, watch TV or whatever, but when you get started, that's when the key is to just get started, and it'll take over after that. Your creativity will start to take over. Even if you get a bad result, just keep doing it anyway. A lot of times we think we have to be in the mood to paint, or we have to be inspired by something to paint, but a lot of times it happens when you just get in there and just get started. So I want to encourage someone today to just get out there and get started. Don't worry about if you don't feel like it, even if you're tired, even if you're not feeling very well. I remember the past couple weeks I've had the flu, and I just didn't feel like doing anything, but one day I just pressed myself to just get up and do a watercolor painting, because it's just something about it. Something about just getting started. Even if you're not feeling well, if you're tired, do it anyway. I want to encourage somebody to just do it anyway. Do things. There's a lot of things. If we wait to the perfect moment to do something, we'll never do it. So I'm learning to just keep it going, and the more you do it, the better that you'll get. So I want to encourage you to, if you're scared about getting started, if you want to try painting, look at the videos that I have. And a lot of those videos are probably not that great, but it was the whole point was that I actually did it. So just get started and see how far you come. The more you do it, the better that you'll get. And don't worry about the voices in your head telling you that the painting isn't great. It may not be great, but just do it anyway. So I'm going to take you along on this journey, and I hope you enjoy this painting.